to our channel, and today's match is World Heavyweight Championship, my belt, in Inferno Match.
Inferno Match? What is that? There's a fire in there?
There is some fire in there. I know how to win it, but I don't know how to do it in the game. You have to make your opponent blazed into flames.
Okay.
So
it's just you and me fighting? What?
just you and me. Because I don't think you can do it. It said or it said single there, so
Okay.
I don't know. Well, it's easier than John Cena running around ruining everything.
Okay.
Let's see if we can figure out how to win this match.
Okay.
So
Come
we'll
on.
start in the match.
Ah! There's a fire!
Yes, it's very warm. It's like the kitchen.
I don't want to be toasted.
Ooh, look, 385 Fahrenheit. Hey, are you submitting me already? That was fast match. I thought it was Inferno match, not submission match.
This is a no disqualification matchup. Telegraph, the superstar equalizer. The intensity, the heat, championship on the line.
400 degrees.
The elbow connects again.
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Nobody wanting to make an error in this one.
Oh, it worked. Maybe R2 does work. It does work. You have to hold it.
We're in the feeling out process here.
In the right moment. See? If I'm holding it.
Big move coming.
Ow! My butt. In front. Ow. No, it's not working. I think I need to do combination in there. Ah, she's kicking my boot.
Oh my god, it's 455 degrees.
I'm running away, but I can't go anywhere. Wow. How are you doing that? How do you keep doing that? Oh, God.
There's more fire in there. Why it's going up? It's 489 now.
Yep.
Well, I felt so sweating. It's so hot in here. So hot.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's 500. It's 500. Okay.
The ring is gonna burn down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I pin you?
Yeah, I think so. You could submit.
I forgot how to submit now.
Ow.
Wah! He's trying to get out.
Can I turn myself from burning? It's going down.
Did I have finisher?
Yeah.
Finish.
You can finish me on the floor. I have to stand up.
Stand up then.
And then you have to know what finisher you have, so you can stand in the right position to do it.
There's no pin. The pin is not working.
Okay, there's no pin then. Too bad. You have to light me on fire. However you do that, I don't know.
I don't know how to light you on fire.
Apparently.
Oh, wow! Did you just punch my face?
If you're just joining us, welcome to Monday Night Raw.
Let me punch you too.
You've been punching me for an hour.
Oh, there you go.
This match has been awesome.
Oh.
And the heat
There.
increases at least threefold when those flames leap into the air.
Has to be something to press, right?
What a battle this has been. There's no disqualification. Anything goes now. And he hits the drop kick with impact.
Look if you press signature.
How much more extreme will this match become?
Whoa.
Here we go. Those flames
Maybe
are
you
ready
get it
for
now when
burning.
you have finisher. You need to get me somehow in the flames.
And there's no place to go. Nowhere to escape. The only way is to drag your opponent into those flames.
Oh, drag
Drag.
opponent. How to drag?
At what point, King, do those thoughts
Yeah.
creep in?
Grab
What do
and
I have to
then
do to put this
put.
match to rest? And I don't know. I don't know as a WWE
Ah.
superstar if you've ever had those thoughts of self-doubt.
Okay.
Okay. They gave us a hint. We have to drag.
No, I don't know how to drag the thing.
The elbow down the
I don't know. Well, it has to be a button to drag then. You're the one who has overhand. You're the one who has to try it.
We know what this is. That's it. He's done. The flames have gone up past the ring rope. Who will be dragged into the fire first? A great European uppercut.
They said it again. Have to drag.
Yeah.
Now figure out how to drag. I assume I have to be on the floor for you to drag me. Didn't they drag somebody in the other match at some point? Oh, I'm dead. Stop playing with my feelings.
Oh! Oh no! Did you drag me then?
You have to go on the floor first. How do you call it? The mat.
How can you?
You're much stronger than me. Ow, my face. Ow, my face again. I think it's L1 somewheres, but they drag in a foot and arm, so you have to stand the right position, I assume. Hold L1. Not there. You have to be in the center of me, I think.
Okay, and then.
L1. You're not even pressing L1. You're pressing everything else. L1. Then something else.
He delivers another
Oh,
slam.
don't know how to pick it. Grab you and then. Oh god. Okay, grab. It's too warm now.
500 degrees. What's that?
Okay, how can I grab you? Okay, I'm grabbing you. Don't move.
Not moving, it's moving himself.
Oh, come on, stop jumping.
No, that's finished. I want someone to burn. That's the whole point of this match.
I don't know how to burn. Can you just burn me then? Wow. Wow.
You're too healthy for me to burn.
Wow.
Wait.
500, my god, love. Why did you kick me in the...
Hey, you blocked that.
Grab. And then push.
Refusing to give in there. What sheer determination.
Yeah, I'm right there. Why can't I
I don't
just
know.
burst into flames?
How is it? Is it the...
Holy mackerel! We just entered the 9th circle of hell. Big move coming. And the body contorts in an unnatural way. He has just worn him out. place to go. Nowhere to escape. The only way is to drag your... No, good lord, they're going to be set on fire!
L to drag.
They escape that demonic hellfire. My God, what a match.
How?
L.
What L?
L to drag. L to drag, it says there.
I told you.
Look. Yes, look. Just watch the replay.
It won't show when it says.
Oh no. Look at that. Oh. Ha.
But I was standing up.
Huh?
But I was standing up.
Yes. You're still on fire. Did you see? You see?
Yes, I can see I'm on fire, but
Yes. But the game is your opponent's supposed to be on fire, then it loses if it's on fire, right?
yes.
So you got on fire, you have fire, your pants is burning, so that's why you lose.
No, that was not my question. My question was, they say drag, and we were standing up. You cannot drag anyone when you're standing up. That is my point.
I don't know.
Well, at least we were able to do it.
You wanna retake? It takes like 30 minutes.
Takes like 30 minutes.
You'll see us for our next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Bye! God bless.